Welcome to Amazing Kitchen. Today we'll be making tahini. We'll start with some white sesame seeds, some white plain flour, and some salt. And we'll add to it some olive oil to help everything blend. We heat a dry skillet or wok and pour our flour right in. Then we stir constantly to remove that raw flour taste. It usually takes 7 to 10 minutes depending on the heat that you're using. Now once that is achieved, we can pour it out into our container. But remember, we don't want our flour to brown, so once it's done, it will still look white like this. So using the same skillet, we'll pour some white sesame seeds in it and also stir constantly. This also usually takes 7 to 10 minutes. Once the oil in the sesame seeds has released, it will start to brown lightly and the aroma will be released. You can smell it. Now once that is achieved, we can also remove it from heat and pour it into a bowl to cool. Make sure you don't burn the sesame seeds. Once our flour and sesame seeds has cooled, we can pour our flour into the sesame seed bowl and mix it all well. We want this to mix to a consistency so that when we blend it, each batch will be even. Now as you can see, I have a small processor, so I have to do this in a few batches. So I'll just start by placing a few tablespoons, add some salt, and cover this up and blend this. So after a minute or two, you'll see it become consistently fine. Then we can check on it to see how well it has mixed. It is not totally there yet, so we'll blend this some more. Once the oil in the sesame seed has released, it will start to lump and clump together. Now that's when you can stop and add your olive oil to it as well. After the olive oil has been added, we can blend this some more and until this becomes a smooth consistency. This can take 2 to 3 minutes depending on the power of your processor. Once that's done, we can pour it into a container and repeat the process for the remaining dry mixture. Now once all the batches are ready, I pour everything back into the processor and blend it all together to mix it into one consistency. Then I've poured it into a jar. As you can see, it's nice and smooth, but it's not very smooth yet. It's still a little chunky and rough, but if that's how you like it, you can close it up and set it aside and enjoy it. But for this recipe, we want it to be super smooth. So to achieve that, we need to pour our mixture into a blender and blend this for a few more minutes until it becomes creamy and smooth. We want to remove all the chunkiness in this. Look at this. It's so smooth after it has been blended. Now we pour everything right back into our container and we can store it in this. Look at the creaminess. This is just amazing. So now you can use this for your hummus or any other dish of your choice. Store it in the fridge and use it for the next 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see today, make sure you subscribe. Until next time, bye now.